Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing our makeup in Chi challenge, and believe it or not, this is my third time recording this video, you guys. Both previous times I did not like something about the video, so I had to do it over again. So hopefully today, the third time, is the charm. So as you all know, I did put out a little survey a while back asking you guys to tell me which fun video I should do next. I gave options of a Q&A video, a get ready with me video, and a makeup challenge, and you guys chose the makeup in Chi language challenge. So for those of you who are new to my channel and do not know, I am Ghanaian. I was born and raised in Ghana, and my tribe is Ashanti, and in Ashanti we speak Chi, and I am still very fluent in my language. So today we're going to be doing my makeup speaking solely my Chi language. So without further ado, let's get started. Ti enyanom ne adofo no me mama kwaba ti sa makeup ya ye ba be ye me shada nya de papa me shada nimu papa de minima ne videos kakra ma hwe wo YouTube nti no me kakra wa me nim no me ye ne ketua bi me shada nya makeups bebre still me kuso a me sua kakra nti wo hu se my medican aye me ne chinwi deda se de be ya time no ebe contem kakra amai. Nti to start no me use primer. Na me primer me use Becca Ever Matte primer. Na we u use a ema wenim wafuno so ne baby a wonya oils no. Etwe oils ni nyina free wenim ye dry kama nti wo de wo makeup ne fa so na ma ho na matoso kase kama. Inti me fa kitwe bi me nim ye normal, like me forehead ne the side of my face ne me chin ni na normal, but me hune so ne mafuno so area no nkwana ya e get oily nti e hono mo nkwana me de primer no ebeye ti me fa kitwe bi be se na me de aye me hune so odiye wani ma ebe mo aye to say ebe mo ifita to say sama no, but nya hwe the makeup be kata so ti me de me hwe so wia na me de bi so aye mafuno so side hasi immediately on say right away sa area na me de primer na ye no hono nyina e dry kama ti me betwa so na me use me foundation. Nti me two favorite foundations are me use to say Lancome Tint Adore. Me number 555 and Fenty Beauty or more foundation no, and also me number 480 no me be try no ma can we chi mama mo nti 480 chi me name say 400 ohanai ejiwoche se me tia mon correct me nti me number Fenty Beauty ni ohanai ejiwoche and 555 ni chi ohanum dunum rade mami ni megwase. Oh, by the way, na Sunday, na Mother's Day Sunday. Minim se motenyom na mebe wo background na. My favorite gospel artist, well, yeah, my favorite. Wow, one of my favorites, Cindy Thompson, Esther Smith. Inti Sunday anope bia me bo monyuma ansa na makwasori. Inti daya me ye ne say me mix it. We say me use each of them by itself, but se me mix ya. We more of a natural finish, and now we be mau as a reddish tone finish kakra. Inti se me pese me honam ne ye tuntum na toso kama ya be use nkwa, and se me pese normal so am use we say, but se me dinini nu fra magic. Inti the aya me ye me fa Lancome no na me de ketua bi aye me mama so say na me hwene so just few drops pe tina ma fa fenti no na me de eno so kakra ewa ha say na aha say timi wia me brush am use no more as a flat top brush minim ni din de minim an say wet and wild nti yeah then na ma blend it the foundation I mean shade on you so kese you so make it too heavy. Oh, and I mean say dodo na so ebisa me skincare routine me gusto a me use nyoma me experimenting on me say me try be before me person me man at least 2 to 3 months mami ehun say yeah adwuma na say nya nti me man be boso ni mi no anase miensa nti me gusto a me try nyoma different ahwe de be yi nti no say me wia sa video na eba me ye detailed video of nkuni ade ne sem na ne ade am use for be honam. That's been like like number 1 requested video be a person me nti no nye say bia me nti but me gusto am ye ho adwuma nti yeah say my blending makeup ni na wi on say me honam atoso tuntuntum kama nti say me eniachi colors no eyeshadow no me shadow anemia nti me keeping it simple just 1 or 2 colors be pay me use palette we me to free Amazon because me dem spending me sika on expensive makeup ni expensive palettes me who palette way for bare $10 on Amazon you need the candy peaches and I mean who colors na me ni simple kama say neti inti eno na mi be use me fa me ni makeup tutorial daw ti me fa colorway kakrebi na mi dia ye me ni echi ase kokko bi sa no ase orange pink bi sa no yeah ti me de fa me ni echi ni na nti me wia on sa say ama sa area no a warming up kakra ma no a bright kakra to see ni sitie ti me wia me be fa color na ewo kona ha say ni se mo ho a me be fa we kakra bi na me de aye infinfin me fa kitwe bi inti yenkasa me Ghana fo a omutie mo wa hefa inti de me pesa mo yani so obi anka nche me wo comments ni say Ghana hefa na free na kasa he na ultimika Ghana kasa he na ultimika inti me start me free Kumasi or say krum ne wo me inti me can't tree but me papa so ye ekuapem ni but ekuapem inti me nka wo man hye dan che ifie twi nkwa ne kan inti so be careful ekuapem a meti ase but say me ankasa me kan de ntinka nti mo amohwe no mo nkan share me wo comments ni Ghana hefa na free na kasa ben na woka nti eno no what do you think me dey make us say eyeshadow na me shadow ni nti no me stop e wa hasi nti say me ba be use Wet and Wild for or more liquid eyeliner me de beto Ghana friend kaji me de beto kaji say anopa me penitema aya me penitema kwa adwuma me use we but ejai na ye video nti ti me di kind of fast to say ya then na ma draw me wing no na ma connect to the be enyi na so snap paper now start to fufuro yeah I'm free say we mama better thing we say but nya hwe be fa ne sa nti Me to kaji ni wia na me use Wet n Wild for omo max volume mascara we omo waterproof mascara we mani je ho pa se me use a ema me na chi mi ye ten kama ena ema no enkoso clamps nso a separate utimi no oni chi mi no kama Inti se say my ye me mascara no ye. Inti next me be ye contour kitwe bi. Inti me use sa dark brown color na wa ha say no. Eno na me de be contour. Ti me fa kakra bi na me de aye masuntim aha say. Color no shade nye dark papa for my skin tone so eja be nden shade nya contour dark enough to show on my skin tine ye be fa ni sa ti eyeshadow we na ya me use na ma fa ketu e bi so de aye me hwe so kakra ti me shade anya ne kese me ye ne just ketu e bi inti me wia fe this is the fun part my favorite part highlighting ti me use highlighter away from Sephora omo friend Golden Hour. This is Sephora omo ankasa omo brand no inti Golden Hour na me brush me use ni we elf brush meaning needing but angled brush inti my application easy ti me fa ketu e bi na me dia ye one nefe na ma blending a kakra ti me de ye mafno so to ya no bia who say yes e bia no toso a to honam no so no bia who say yes tuntuma ho fe na ba no papa be see a beautiful tree a ho fegia Nipa ko invent highlight me danase because so far abe my favorite makeup item me use ti me na kakra bi so on say na ma asa cheekbones no a poppy bi say ye fa kakra bi nka ho nye hwe na Mother's Day ti me wia me ye me cheekbones ni wia na me de ketu e bi so afa me hwen so just like this inti me de fa me hwen so wia me finishing powder me use ye NYX omo friend NYX mineral set it don't fret it powder. Honestly, powder we many nje home because we use too much now. We take a picture now. You use flash. Be ma flashback. Inti na me use ne ketu ebi. And I me use ma ne senwe I mean to be. Inti me recommend this powder we. But I don't na me want ne. Me use ne sa. Inti me fa ketu ebi na me dia set it. Me makeup ni na. And I baby a highlight ne one say be ya. Ebe man look seamless to say the one kasa honam ne e glow no ti me use me de no eliminate any harsh lines bia e wo highlighting and I say me use concealer me de me free say me here concealer ntino me use concealer me use highlight na me okay and na me under eyes okay I don't feel the need say me use concealer inti ene for manona me pese me ye like a pinky natural nude kind of lips inti me use lip liner where as a reddish plumish lip liner bisa no honestly me ni di me to ya che me nka baby kwa me to free ti me de eno be fa mano next me use Wet n Wild for omo friend Fergie Daily. Ti me de no be fa manon so kakra. Me blend and we are saying a note. Until last one, me the next 4 color, your friend Natalia. Into a pink color beside me, they no so be fancy. To me blending in area, the final look ni. Let me know what you guys think. So mo free say me idea na say my idea na me tree no so mo free say it is say me tree it is say me dey me mom dey so be say me free say me tree ni A1. But me need say areas bi or ha me struggle kakra me dey brofo west FFM kakra but nyehwe nti no mo mami in who comment section is mo free say me idea and then so your Mother's Day nti your mama for o mo hwe video yi na say your mama for mo Ghana ni America UK fan baby I will be me wish you nyina happy Mother's Day. I hope so nyina mo enjoy the video yi say mo ni je ho a mo ma me thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.